On a 2020 to 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 with the 6.6 diesel, P0404 is an EGR open position performance code. In plain terms, the control module may be asking the EGR valve to move, but the valve position feedback may not be matching what was commanded. The truck may have an engine light, reduced power messaging, or an emissions-related warning, depending on what else is going on. Broadly, this can involve the EGR valve control side, the position sensor feedback, connector or circuit issues, or the valve not responding the way the module expects. Before getting deep into P0404, start with the basic system checks and follow a structured diagnostic approach so you are not chasing a symptom caused by another fault. This is a commanded versus actual EGR fault. The EGR output circuit is switched from ground to 12 volts to activate the component, and the module watches whether the actual EGR position follows the desired position. The monitor is gated by operating conditions. The engine has to be running, ignition voltage has to be greater than 11 volts, and the related EGR circuit or position sensor faults need to be clear. Once those conditions are met, the monitor runs continuously. P0404 sets when the commanded EGR state does not match the actual state for greater than 2.5 seconds. With the ignition on and the vehicle in service mode, check for related faults tied to the EGR valve circuit and the EGR position sensor. The expected result is no related DTC set. If a related code is present, check what that code means first, instead of continuing straight into the P0404 performance test. If no related code is set, continue with the engine running check. Start the engine. Using the scan tool control function, command the EGR valve up and down from 0 to 60% and back to 0%. While you do that, watch EGR position sensor against desired EGR position. The two values should stay within 5% of each other. If the actual position does not stay within that range of the desired position, the supported repair path is replacement of the Q14 exhaust gas recirculation valve. If the two values stay within range, this test passes, and the result is all okay for this part of the diagnostic path. After the repair is complete, verify the repair and confirm the code stays gone. Keep this separate from the command test. The command test checks valve response, and the repair verification confirms the fault no longer returns under the required conditions. With the ignition on and the vehicle in service mode, look at the exhaust gas recirculation system malfunction warning event data. All of those event data parameters should display no. If any event data parameter displays yes, operate the vehicle within the running conditions for the DTC identified by that event data parameter. The code that caused a driver message or speed limitation has to run and pass before the message or speed limitation will clear, and that may require driving the vehicle. If all event data parameters display no, the result is all okay. The key on P040 is to prove whether commanded EGR position and actual EGR position track each other. Check for related EGR faults first, command the valve through its range, compare desired to actual, then verify the repair and confirm any warning condition has cleared. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.